Food to me is unspoken communication language that can deliver more than just a story.
الأكل بالنسبة لي فلسفة.
هو من الفنون الوحيدة اللي تلمس الحواس الخمسة.
الأكل هو عبارة عن لغة التواصل بين الشعوب.
هو الشيء اللي يكوننا.
أنا أشوفه غذاء للروح، الشيء اللي يجمعنا.
So now we're gonna go forage around here. Before that, we're gonna show you a couple of herbs, and I would love to see you find them, taste them, smell them, and think of what you can make with them.
In NEOM, we want to be as food sufficient as possible, and for that we have been working with Chef Norbert, who created this approach of Cook the Mountain, of using locally available ingredients.
The principles of CARES, those are working with nature, really using the products up to 100%. Young talent is the future. For me, it was always very important to invest in young chefs because they have a completely different mindset.
Ideally, all the chefs will come back to Saudi and apply what they learn in being creative, in incorporating sustainability practices in the way they operate their kitchens. This will lead to create the NEOM identity.
Well, they've learned a lot about local products, about using local products, preservation of their local products, also to create a local business model.
Going through nature, it was like enlightening experience for me.
It really showed me that the only way you can do anything sustainably is to work with others.
أهم نقطة ممكن أن ننقلها للمملكة العربية السعودية احترام الطبيعة الأم، بالتالي التعامل مع الموارد والثروات الغنية الموجودة في بلدنا.
I feel united to the nature, which is really precious.